My grandma hasn't been sick for 35 years. Her secret drink before bed restored everything. With just a few simple ingredients from your own kitchen, you can start improving your well-being from the inside out, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I will reveal my grandmother's secret, a simple way to use this blend to naturally support the body in reducing unhealthy fats, cleansing the blood vessels, and maintaining balanced blood pressure and cholesterol levels safely and easily at home. The first ingredient is lemon, a familiar fruit found in almost every kitchen. Start by scrubbing the lemon peel gently with a little baking soda. Then add water and let it soak for a few minutes. Soaking the lemon in this mixture helps remove any dirt, pesticide residue, or bacteria that may remain on the skin, ensuring it's clean and safe to use. When choosing lemons, go for organic ones with smooth, bright skin. The peel holds plenty of natural oils and antioxidants. After soaking them with baking soda, simply rinse well under clean water, and you'll have fresh, safe, and ready-to-use lemons. This cleaning step is important. It helps preserve the fruit's natural nutrients while ensuring your drink stays pure, safe, and beneficial for your well-being. Next, slice the lemon into small pieces, and be sure to remove the seeds to prevent any bitterness while cooking. This method allows you to keep all the beneficial compounds found in both the peel and the pulp, helping the body's natural cleansing process, supporting healthy liver function, and maintaining balanced fat levels in the blood. Lemon isn't just a common kitchen fruit. It's often called a golden friend for the liver and the heart. Thanks to its vitamin C and natural antioxidants, lemon may help the body break down fats, boost metabolism, and support natural detoxification, leaving you feeling light, refreshed, and healthy from within. In Japan, lemon is known as the fruit of longevity. It's often used to gently cleanse the body, encourage metabolism, and help keep the mind clear and focused. Dried bay leaves are not only a familiar kitchen spice, but also a gentle, natural helper for heart and body wellness. Lightly crush the leaves before adding them to the pot. This simple step helps release their delicate aroma and natural benefits. These small, fragrant leaves contain cineole, eugenol, and quercetin natural compounds that may help support healthy cholesterol levels, balance triglycerides, regulate blood sugar, and calm inflammation in the body. When simmered together with lemon, the natural compounds in bay leaves are fully released, creating a soothing blend that may help cleanse the blood vessels, support digestion, and promote overall wellness. The next ingredient is turmeric powder, a familiar spice often called a natural golden treasure for heart health. Just 1 teaspoon of turmeric provides curcumin, a powerful natural compound that may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, support clean circulation, and calm inflammation in the body. The next ingredient is black pepper, tiny but incredibly important. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that helps the body absorb curcumin from turmeric much more effectively, allowing its full benefits to shine through for heart and liver wellness. In addition, black pepper may also help the body burn fat, balance blood sugar levels, and boost metabolism, leaving you feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Place all the ingredients into a pot. And add about 2 cups, 500 ml of water. Simmer gently over low heat for about 10 minutes, allowing the natural compounds to blend together completely. The combination of lemon, turmeric, black pepper, and bay leaves creates a powerful yet gentle cleansing blend that may help support clean blood vessels, maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and naturally assist the body in managing excess fat. If this little tip reminds you of a health habit your mother or grandmother used to have, share it in the comments below. Your story might inspire others to keep these beautiful natural traditions alive. After simmering the mixture, we'll have a warm golden color and a gentle soothing aroma filled with natural goodness. Turn off the heat, let it cool, and strain it through a fine sieve, keeping only the clear liquid. This is the purest part, rich in natural compounds that may help support healthy cholesterol levels, aid liver cleansing, and promote overall heart wellness. After straining, enjoy a warm cup of this soothing drink. You'll notice the gentle tartness of lemon, the warm spice of ginger and pepper, and the subtle fragrance of bay leaf and turmeric, all blending to create a refreshing, easy-to-drink blend that's wonderfully comforting and good for your well-being. Each sip brings a sense of warmth and relaxation, as if your body is being gently refreshed and energized from within. Pour the remaining liquid into a clean glass jar or bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. The mixture will stay fresh for several days while keeping its natural flavor and nutrients. Each evening, about 30 minutes before bedtime, enjoy a small cup of this drink. Follow this routine for 14 days, then take a short break before continuing the next round. This period is just enough for the natural compounds, such as curcumin, eugenol, piperine, and vitamin C, to work gently and effectively, supporting the body's natural cleansing process, keeping the blood vessels clear, and helping maintain healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels. After just a few days, you may begin to feel lighter, sleep more soundly, and wake up with a clearer, more refreshed mind. All thanks to caring for yourself with safe, simple, and natural ingredients. A simple cup of this natural drink before bedtime does more than just support clean blood vessels or healthy cholesterol. It's a gentle, consistent way to care for your body every day. Stay patient. Listen to what your body needs and treat yourself with kindness, because age is just a number, and good health is life's most precious gift. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.